how you install IIS on Windows 10. You're going to right click on the start menu and then go into you're going to type in control panel. So we'll bring up the old version of the app. Then we're going to go into programs and features. And with programs and features, we have all of our programs that are installed, but we can also turn Windows features on and off. You can go ahead and click on that and turn on Internet Information Services, IIS. You want to make sure that you have your settings set properly. And then you're going to hit OK. And we'll go through the install. This should be fairly quick. And once the install is completed, you will find that you, in your start menu, now have the ability to manage IIS. So we are going to go to IIS, type that in our start menu, and here you go. This is the start menu on how to install IIS.